Friends-Based Intercom is a private group feature from Wave Intercom, designed to let you and your friends communicate instantly, securely, and effortlessly in real time. In this video, we'll walk you through just how easy it is to set up and start using it. Step 1. Tap the Friends icon located at the bottom center of the app. Then, tap the Add Friend icon at the top right corner of the screen. This opens the Friends search bar. Type in your friend's username, and once you see their profile, tap their name or the red add icon next to their name. Your friend will receive a notification and can accept your request with a single tap. Once accepted, their name will appear in your friends list. Now you're ready to create Friends Wave. Tap their name. A check mark will appear. Now press Start. And that's it. In Friends-Based Intercom, your group remains connected across any distance within areas of cellular network coverage. Ride the wave into the future with the new standard in motorcycle communication.